Hello class. We're going to continue reviewing for your test. Some of you asked about the test because we do not have school on Friday. So this week basically we'll just review and then the test will be Monday. Okay, so here's our second day for reviewing for stationary points. So we looked at an example yesterday. Today is going to be an example kind of like the ones y'all did 2 weeks ago, using area and perimeter and volume, stuff like that. Okay, so we have, this is a sheep pen, a piece of land, and then a farmer divided a piece of land into 8 equal sheep pens. Each pen measures X by Y. Okay, the farmer used a total of 480 meters of fencing. So that means all of these black lines, all of these add up to 480 meters. Okay, so show that the total area of the land is given by this equation, and then find the dimensions of each pen. So that means find the values of X and Y for which A has a maximum. Okay, so let's get started with I. Show that the total area is given by that. So show that the total area of this equation, so the area of this square or rectangle is length, so there's X, so there's 4X, so that's the total length, times the width, so that's Y, so there's 2Y. So the total area is 8XY. Okay, so that's our area equation. So remember, we need to get to here. It means we need to find something for Y. Well, what else piece of information we're given? We're given 480 meters fencing. So that means basically the perimeter of all of this. Just be careful. So if I do the perimeter of this square, and then you do the perimeter of this square, don't count this piece twice. Okay. So the easiest way to do that, I mean, you can think of it as perimeter, but really it's just the outline. Okay, so how many X's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 X's. And how many Y's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 Y's. Okay, so we take this equation, solve for Y, and plug it back into here. So we get 480 minus 12X divided by 10 equals Y. So Y equals 48 minus 6 over 5x. Okay, I'm going to take that Y and plug it in for that. So I get 8x times this. Okay, distribute that to x and you'll get exactly what they're asking for. 384x minus 9.6x squared. Okay, so that was part I. Alright, double I says find the values of X and Y when A has a maximum. Okay, so that means it's a stationary point. So that means we need to find A prime first, or dA, dx, whichever one you want to call it. In this case it doesn't matter. So take the derivative of this. Okay, so derivative of 384x, well that's just 384. And bring down the 2, 9.6 times 2 is 19.2x. Okay, it's a stationary point, so we set that equal to 0. And we solve this for x. And you'll get x is equal to 20. Okay, roughly 20. Okay, take that x. Now how do we get y? We take that x and we plug it back into the equation here. Okay, so we will get y is equal to 24. Okay, or so we get x is 24. Oh, okay, so that's it. That's all they asked for. Basically just find the values of x and y when A has a maximum. Okay, so that's pretty much it. So it's using one of those problems. We have to prove the area. So you find the area of the total pen, and then you substitute out your y in terms of x by using the other piece of information they give you, And then the second part is normally where you find the stationary point using the derivative. Okay, so hopefully that was a pretty good review for you. Hopefully there's nothing there that stumped you. But if you had any questions about that, just get with me on Teams. Okay, talk to you guys tomorrow.